So what does it mean to stage your home in today's market? If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, give me the thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions or any suggestions for any other videos. We are producing 3 videos a week. I know it's crazy, 3 videos a week, and we want some of your input and some of your ideas. First of all, there are 2 types of staging. There is physical staging and there is virtual staging. Physical staging is what you see right here as my background. This is an actual physical staging. You can see this beautiful pillow right here. It's staged. The other thing that we have been doing now with COVID-19, and this is, you just need to come up with new solutions all the time. We have introduced virtual staging. I am basically hiring companies to do digital enhancing of the pictures to make sure it looks like it's staged, yet it's not really staged. But guess what? Pictures are everything now. If a buyer doesn't want to go out and see a physical home, we need to be able to create a solution. Why should you invest money in staging? Staging helps you sell fast, but more importantly, it helps you bring the beauty of the home. As an example, you have a den that is 8 foot by 8 foot. Most people will not understand what to do with this den. What do you do with an 8 foot by 8 foot? But if you stage it nicely and you put a crib or you put an office desk, whoever comes through the doors will now understand right away how can they use the space. This is what staging does. Believe it or not, in today's market, it's more important than ever before. So please, make sure you look into the staging option. If you don't want to hire a stager because they cost money, do it yourself. I know it sounds like, why should I do it? I don't want, my home is beautiful as it is. But remember, it might be beautiful for you, but for the new buyer, they just want to see like something clean, beautiful finishes, very simple, where they can feel home. I'm not asking you to stage the whole home, which could be easily 2,000 square feet, 3,000 square feet. I'm asking you to stage the most important rooms, including the kitchen. You want to add a few nice touches, few accessories to the kitchen, where someone walks to the door, they just feel home. They feel that they can cook into that kitchen. The master bedroom is another one that is really important. The bathrooms, you want to add fresh, clean white towels. Living room is a must. Most people spend majority of the time in the living room. So if you have an empty space, I will highly encourage you to add a few beautiful couches or a conversation setup with a carpet, with pillows, some accessories, just to dress it up so that when someone walks in, they can feel that they were to sit in that living room and watch TV, and they will be able, this is their home. You don't need to worry about the bedrooms, you don't need to worry about the laundry, except keeping it clean. Keep it clean and you're good, but don't spend the money to staging those places. Basement, I would also encourage you to stage it as well. Most people, they want to feel that this is home. What can you do with the basement? Can you put a ping pong table there? Is it going to be a home cinema? Do something that will intrigue the interest of the buyer, and as a result, they will make an offer, and if there's 5 other offers, now the price has increased. So believe me, staging will pay off big time. I hope you're enjoying the videos we're doing so far. If you do, make sure you smash that like button, give me the thumbs up. Join our social media. We have on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Just connect with us, send me a DM. I will always reply to you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.